Hi everybody, I'm here today to show you this item. So what I've got here from Amazon is a nail drill set. And so I am going to show you how it works and all of the things that it comes with. So the first thing is that you've got your nail drill here, and this is made out of aluminum alloy, so it's really great material, and it does come with this added holder so you can set it there when it's not in use. And then you also have a holder on the side here, so when you're storing it, when you're not using it, it can sit right here. And then you do have your different nail bits. So on the top here, these brown ones, they get attached to this nail bit right here. And this is going to be perfect for sanding and buffing your nails. And then you have some polishers right here. So depending on how thick your nails are and how big your nail beds are, you can choose the right one that's for you. Another great thing with these attachments is they can also sit right on the top, so you have really easy access to it. So I'll go ahead and put all of those there to show you that they all fit right in there, which is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. So I've got the cord here, and then I have an outlet right here. So it is plugged in, and then the actual drill has its own cord that connects to the front. So you have your on and off switch, and then you can have the drill go forward or backward. And then this knob will make it run faster or slower. So I'll go ahead and turn it on. And the green light means that it is working. So then I'm going to go ahead and apply my nail bit. Got this attached, it fit perfectly on. It was very easy to just slide right in there. And so I'm gonna go ahead and power this on and polish my nails and add some nail polish. So this is on a low vibration, and then that's on a high vibration. So you can see the intensity and the power behind this. Okay, so I just did all of my nails. I have them all sanded down. And so I'm going to switch to a different attachment and get around the edges. But this worked so well, and it was much faster than a manual nail file and definitely more efficient. And since I'm going around the edges, I do want to flip this to the backwards option so that way I can get both sides. Okay, so now my nails are ready to be polished. Okay, so my nail polish went on very nice and smooth. There were no nicks or bumps or anything like that. So this was perfect for that. So if you are doing nails at home, or if you are doing acrylic nails, this would definitely be a great option for you to have. And so I definitely recommend that you hop on Amazon and grab this set, because you get all of the supplies that you need to do your nails and make them look beautiful. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.